Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about how to trade during the news, when the news is coming out. It's not recommended to trade during news times because a lot of fake outs happen. So most people get cashed out, losing their money. But a lot of people are tempted. So I will be showing you what's one of the best ways to trade in that time. Let's get right to it. We're going to try to keep it short as usual, not to bore people. Let's look at it in the 4-hour time frame. In the larger time frame. Before that, actually, let's put it in replay to say where it was, because this big candle that you see right here, this is when the news happened. It was on a Friday before the market closed for the weekend, and the market has just opened recently, not too long ago. So let's go in the replay mode and let's put it in the 15 minutes. We'll put it on Friday at 7:30 in the morning, and the news came out as at 10 in the morning. So 7:30 in the morning we'll put it. This is pre-New York. So we will say that this is the time you're getting up to trade in the New York session. So you're just observing the market to see which way you want to follow the trend, which way it's going to go, so you can put your trades in. Now we will go in the higher time frame just to put the support and resistance. Master the basics, people. This is very important. A lot of people think they mastered it, but they haven't, and they still keep losing. So we will put the resistance right here in the higher time frame and the support right here. And then we see another resistance area right here. And we have also a support area, which is around here. So this is in the 4-hour time frame. We will go in the 1-hour time frame. We could see that the market is in an uptrend right now. In the higher time frame, it was looking like it's going sideways between this resistance and this support. But over here we see how it is kind of forming a higher low. This is not a higher high. This is going higher low. Now is a higher high, higher low, higher high right here. But in the higher time frame that we see is still going in a range, as you see in the 4-hour. It's between these right here, or in the daily. If you look at it, it looks like it's just bouncing between the resistance and supports. So let's go in the 1-hour. We have to go into more detail if you want to come in for the news times, because the news happens very fast. So we need in the lower time frames, but we will analyze it in the higher time frames and the lower time frames. We see currently that it was in the resistance area right here. And we will go to the 30 minutes. We see that in the 30 minutes, it is making a clear uptrend. So we will draw our trend line. And we can make a channel also, just to have an idea where it's at. And this is at the higher part of the channel. It is at the resistance point. So there is good probability that it will be coming down from here. Could be going like this or like this. Or it could just go straight down and come back up because it's in the channel. Like everything is not 100%, but we still need the confirmation right here. So we will remove these arrows. Now that's in the 30-minute time frame. We will go to the lower time frame, and we see in the lower time frame that we have another trend line forming right here. It's important to draw these trend lines the best way possible. You have to draw them excellently. As you see, they're being touched to know when to come and when to go out with the confirmations. Now we will play this. This was at, as you see, 7:30 in the morning Eastern time. Next candle is coming. This is 8:30. These are each 15-minute candlesticks. Now we see over here, this is 9:45. So 9:45, we will go, this is 15 minutes before the news comes. We will go into the 5-minute. As you can see right here, that's 9:55. So the next candle will be the news time. Let's play this. Right here, you see the news, how it formed a big, huge candle breaking the trend line. Now, before this, we would have gone to the 1-minute, since during the news hours, candles are moving very big usually. And we see over here the break of the trend line and the huge candle. We would have come in right here at this 1-minute candle close. And how we would have decided for the stop loss and the take profit, the stop loss would have been just above the trend line, or you could have put it just above here. So we will go back to 30 minutes to draw our take profit. We would have put our take profit in this area, as you see right here. A support zone. Then we will go back to the 1-minute. And over here, we would have come in at the break of the trend line and still between the channels, as you see. We would have come in right here. Stop loss either right here or here. Preferably here, because it's a big candle, and usually more than half of the big candle is good. And we would have put the take profit all to the zone that we drew, the support. So as you can see right here, this is almost a 1 to 2, 1 to 1.8. So if you had put $1,000, you would have won $1,800 if it hits our take profit. Or if you put $100, you would have won $180 or take a $100 loss. So now let's play this under 5 minutes to see how this would have played out. Let me just zoom out a little bit for you guys. And we see the candles dropping heavy. And there we go. We hit our stop. We hit our take profit. And over here, we would have been done for the day, take nice profits for the day before the market closes. So it is simple. You just need a lot of practice to know when to come in and keep the stop loss as tight as possible, because it is very risky during trading during news hours. It's not recommended, like I said. But if you're going to do it the best way and the simple way with the tight stop loss, being accurate as possible with the trend lines and the channels and the support and resistance. Subscribe and like and follow for many more videos to come.